Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. Locate display adapters and right-click your Nvidia GPU. Don't hesitate, do it. Once the Properties window opens, click the Driver tab. You'll see a few options: Roll Back Driver, Update Driver, Uninstall Device. Choose Roll Back Driver if available. This restores the previous installation from the driver store, so it's quick. If rollback is grayed out, pause here. Make sure you've recently updated and that a previous driver exists. You'll now execute the rollback. Click Rollback Driver and pick a reason from the list, then confirm. Windows will retrieve the older driver from the driver store and reinstall it. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the process finishes, Windows often asks you to restart. Do that. If the option reruns or shows errors, make sure you have admin rights and that no installer is blocking the process. After reboot, check Device Manager to confirm the older driver version is active. You're in the final stretch. Disable automatic driver updates so Windows won't replace the rollback with a new version. Go to System Settings, Advanced Options, and turn off automatic driver updates. Then open Nvidia Control Panel to verify GPU settings and run a quick game or benchmark. If the rollback fails or breaks display, boot into safe mode and try rollback again, or use Display Driver Uninstaller to remove drivers cleanly before reinstalling the desired version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.